Hey guys, welcome to Explore More. I am so excited to learn more about the history of Pinehurst today, and we thought it would be super cool to bring you along for the ride.
Yes, Pinehurst has an amazing history, tons of landmarks, and today Miss Audrey has this amazing book that gives us a tour of the entire village.
All right, let's do that.
Welcome to the Tufts Archives.
Hi,
Thank you so much.
Great.
This is the Pinehurst History Museum, and we have images, maps, books, all kinds of artifacts about the history of Pinehurst. We have this walking tour book that I wrote. It has a map, and you follow the directions, and you can do as much or as little of this tour as you want. And it's really fascinating to see the changes in the images of the homes and stuff.
And where does the tour start?
It starts right here at the Given Memorial Library. The library was donated to the Village of Pinehurst by the Given family, Sarah Given Larson and John and Irene Hines Given.
Given by the Given.
You're starting here at the library and you just follow the map, and if you did it right, you'll end up right back here.
And look at that, the pictures are right in the book. We can't miss it.
All right, go on, have fun.
Thank you. Bye.
Such a nice area.
I know. I just love how the village is like all put together. It's like all like,
So cute.
I know, right?
And so convenient.
Yes.
So I love all the adorable little homes here in Pinehurst. The guy that founded the whole Pinehurst resort, J. Walker Tufts, this was actually one of the first homes he built here in 1895.
Oh, that's really neat.
Yeah, it's called the Honeysuckle now, but it used to be called Good Luck. And it was one of the very first homes that James Walker Tufts built in 1895.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yeah.
That guy was really talented. I mean, he built homes, he built the resort, he pretty much created this entire village. It's just so beautiful in this area.
It is.
Megan, check out this. 126 feet tall this chapel is. And it was built in 1924.
I love they have the old photographs in this book because the chapel looks just like it did in 1924.
I know, it's so historic. It's really, really neat to see. Hey Megan, check out the theater. Look how beautiful that is.
It is beautiful.
They say it's like one of the most historic buildings in all of Pinehurst. They say back in the day, it was like the Carnegie Hall of Pinehurst.
Very cool.
Yeah, like Will Rogers, Metropolitan Opera, Gloria Swanson, they all performed here.
So what is it now?
Shopping.
Well, that's great news. I love the Carolina Hotel. This is like the epicenter of Pinehurst.
Yes, it is beautiful. Right down from the resort. And look at that roof. How cool is that?
Yeah, it was constructed in 1900.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And I hear they have a fantastic spa.
I'm not surprised by that. All right, thanks everybody for joining us. And Miss Audrey, thank you so much for this great tour. It was such a great time.
Oh, thank you.
Is there anything you'd like to say to the viewers?
Yes, I'd like to invite everyone to come to the Tufts Archives at 150 Cherokee Road and pick up a copy of the walking tour book that's available here and also at the local Convention and Visitors Bureau, and take the tour yourself. It's really fun.
If you'd like to learn more about Pinehurst and the surrounding areas, make sure you check out the videos below.
Thanks so much for watching. This is Explore More. See you later.
Bye.